Where can I pick up my luggage? Where can I pick up my luggage? Where was the flight from? Where was the flight from? From Tokyo. From Tokyo. It's carousel 4. It's carousel 4. My luggage hasn't come out yet. My luggage hasn't come out yet. Where can I get a cart? Where can I get a cart? I can't find my luggage. I can't find my luggage. Do you have your claim tag? Do you have your claim tag? How long will it take to get my luggage? How long will it take to get my luggage? Please call me at this number as soon as you find it. Please call me at this number as soon as you find it. Good job! Please take a look down below for all 10 phrases. If you are on your phone, please click the title of the video to open up the description box. Thank you so much for watching. To listen to the recordings again, click the I on top. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Listening to the sentences repeatedly is a very effective learning strategy, and you'll find yourself really improving. Thank you again, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel.